Here we are at Legazpi at Vera Falls. We've been here before on a previous video, but because Mayan volcano is well, it's raining basically. There's clouds around it and it's raining pretty hard, so we've decided to come down here for now, and we're going to go to the volcano in a bit and see if we can get you a view of the volcano and the scenery. Kawa Hills?
Kawa Hills.
Kawa Hills.
Yeah.
And Kawa Hills. So see you later. So we've come here to Legazpi today to go to Mayun volcano. But unfortunately when we got there it was sunny, but when we got to the volcano there was loads of black clouds around the volcano, very windy, so we've come down to Vera Falls and just to take a little bit of video today. As you can see there's nobody here because it's a weekday and it's not summer, yeah. Because it's rainy season, there's nobody here because it's not summer. But we thought we'd come down and take a little bit of video here. Just for a quick reference, while we're sat down talking, I want to respond to a bit of misunderstanding. I can no longer accept any donations for the kids, any third-party donations. I just need to explain. It is against Philippine law for me to accept a third-party donation because I'm not a charity. Now you can still make donations to my website as long as it's for my channel. Now obviously anything donated will obviously go towards the kids, but obviously I can't take anything directly for the kids. But what I'd really like you to do is support me on Patreon. Even if it's only $1 a month, that's fine, because I've lost a lot of supporters lately on my Patreon. My views have gone way down, my subscribers are dropping. I'm doing something wrong, I don't know what it is, maybe you can tell me. But I'd really appreciate your help on Patreon. So anyway, that's out of the way now. So what we're going to do is just take a little bit of video here, just relax because it's beautiful, and then later on we're going to go back to the volcano. Then we can go where, babe? Kawa Hills? We can go to Kawa Hills. After Mayun. So we'll see what it's like there, see if we can get to the top of the volcano for you and get some good footage. So see you later.